everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's videos, I'm going to give you 25 phrasal verb with go. So let's begin with go up. Now start. Now start. Go up, meaning increase in price cost. For example, tomatoes have gone up because of a shortage. Next one, go away, meaning to leave your home for a trip. For example, I'm going away for a weekend. Next one, go back, meaning to return to a place. Example, he is going back to office after the break. Next, go over, meaning look at carefully. For example, please go over your answer before handing in your paper. Next, go down, meaning to move from higher place to lower. For example, the price of onion has gone down recently. Go through next, meaning to be officially accepted, approved. For example, you should go through this paper before signing it. Next one, go on, meaning continue in extended. Extend. For example, the meeting seemed to go on forever. Next, go on, meaning happen. For example, what's going on? Next, go around, meaning to visit a person or a place. For example, there's dengue going around. Go off, meaning to suddenly make a loud noise. For example, the alarm will go off at 8 am. Next, go back, meaning fail someone or something. For example, you promised me that you did pay up today. No going back on your words. Go out, meaning to be eliminated from our competitions. Example, our team went out in the second round. Next, go for something, meaning to choose something. For example, we which cake do you like, to chocolate or vanilla? I will go for a vanilla cake. Next one, go by, meaning taking an actions you follow. For example, I'm only going by what my teacher said. Go away, meaning disappear, go away. For example, the medication should make the pain go away. पेन को रिलीव किया उन्होंने, go by कर दिया, go away. Go for, meaning try to achieve. For example, Seema trains hard and decide to go for the gold medal. Next, go for, favor, accept, accept. Management won't go for such a risky project. Next, go off, meaning explode, burning fire. For example, a bomb went off in a crowded place. Go off. Next, depart, to leave. For example, he went off without a word. He went off without a word from office. Go without, abstain, skip. For example, Mohan had to go without lunch to finish the report. Go along, continue an activity, cooperate. He had funny details to the story as he went along. Go against, meaning violates, to break. For example, what he did goes against the rules. Go under means to become bankrupt. For example, his business is facing the risk of going under. Next, go about, meaning deal with something. For example, What's the best way to go about this? What the best way to go about this? Go by means to pass time. For example, time goes by so quickly. So सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की क्लास में बस इतना ही। आई होप कि आपको आज की क्लास में कुछ नया सीखने को मिला हो, आपने कुछ नए फ्रेजल वर्ब सीखे हो। तो वीडियो को लाइक और इसी तरह डेली आसानी से इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिएगा। थैंक यू।